Right now. I just had a debate with myself for like 10 minutes. I was like, do I want to get up right now? Or do I want to sleep in for like 15 more minutes? I want to film this video and I need some extra time to film this. So it is so early. So today is Thursday. I have class at 8 a.m. to 1:45, but I have to leave my house at 6:50 because I have an hour commute. Usually I'll wake up between 5:30 and 6. Yeah, it's early, but I only go to school twice a week, so it's not too bad. And Thursdays are my short days. I only have 2 classes instead of 3, so it's not too bad. My bed has just never felt this comfy. Also, ignore my nails. I'm in the process of removing my acrylics so that I could get a new set on. I need to take them all off, but one of them fell off so far. So I'll probably do that today after school. Let's check the weather. What's the weather gonna be today? Oh, the high is 99. It's gonna be 75 by 8 a.m. Okay, so now it's time to get ready. I need to do my makeup, my hair, and my outfit. So I usually come over here to my Alex 9 drawer and start my makeup. I keep it all in this drawer. Okay, so today is Thursday, as I said, so I have painting and 3D art. Both of them are 3-hour classes, which is so long. It's my short day, so usually after those classes I have art history, but I only have that once a week, so it's pretty nice. And then Wednesdays I have 2 online classes. So right now I'm doing concealer and foundation. So usually my makeup doesn't take that long. I've actually gotten so good. I could do my makeup in like 15 minutes, which I feel like is so good. Like, that's so fast. Now I'm gonna set this with some powder. Next, I'm gonna do my eyebrows. Look at all that product. I'm filling in my eyebrows with this eyebrow powder. I'm gonna do a little eyeshadow. I think the quickest I could get ready is like in 20 or 30 minutes. I've had to get ready faster. Usually I'll be able to do my makeup, pick out an outfit, and then like braid my hair really quick so that it's done. I feel like over the years my morning routine has gotten shorter and shorter. In high school I was getting up so early and spending like an hour and a half, sometimes like 2 hours to get ready for school. I don't know how I did that. It was so early and I had to go to school every day. I think about that a lot. Like, how is it that we used to wake up? I know a lot of you guys are probably still in high school, but like when you get to college, it's like, how is it that we used to wake up every day, get to school by like 7:45, be in school until 3 o'clock every single day? Like, how did we do that? Because in college, it's like you get to choose your own schedule. I mean, this is a bad example because I have to wake up early for school, but I had to because I had to take painting. You could choose a late class. You could choose to only go to school 2 days a week. You know what I mean? And it's like, I cannot imagine having to go every day. I just did some highlight. I'm gonna do a little bit of blush. And now I'm finishing off with some mascara. I don't know why, but the order I have to do my mascara in for each eye is top, top, bottom, bottom. I can't like do my whole eye, top eyelashes, bottom eyelashes, and then top, bottom. I have to do top, top, bottom, bottom. I don't know why, I just have to keep it even. I'm gonna put on some lip gloss. And I am done. So my makeup is done, and usually I would do my hair next, but instead I'm gonna pick out my outfit. So I come over to my clothing rack and I pick out what I want to wear today. I usually wear something pretty comfy. So since it's gonna be 100 degrees today, we're going with a tank top and some yoga pants. Nice and comfy. Okay, so here is my outfit, very comfy and cute. I'm gonna put on some jewelry. I usually wear these gold hoops, some rings, and my necklace. Also these bracelets. I'm also gonna apply some deodorant, and I'm gonna grab a couple hair products. I'm gonna use this one and my heat protectant. So I'm just gonna straighten my bangs, and then I'm gonna put in some hair product to the rest of it, so hopefully it looks okay. I don't really have like a hair routine. It's kind of just by the day, you know, what I'm feeling. Sometimes I'll straighten it, sometimes I'll just put it in braids. I'll curl it rarely. Yeah, I'm kind of going natural today. Done. I'm not going to do anything else to it. Spraying some perfume. Okay, so I have on my outfit. I am ready. I also have my backpack on. I'm gonna go to the kitchen and make a coffee. I don't really have time to make lunch, but I only have a short day today, so it's fine. So I'm just gonna make a coffee, and I need to start driving to school. I'm done getting ready. Now I have an hour drive to school. Because of the time change, the sun is like directly in my eye the entire way to school because it's rising right now. It's a nice sunrise, but I'm like blinded for an hour. Anyway, so I had time to make a coffee, and then after school I'll get lunch or come home and make lunch. Oh. Okay. Anyway, so it's 6:50. I have to go right now. That was a good morning routine, guys. I really enjoyed filming that. I love filming morning routines. They're one of my favorite videos to film to this day. I'm gonna play my Spotify on my way to school, and I gotta go. Maybe I'll film a little bit at school today so you guys know what I was doing. Yeah, I'm headed to school right now, and I'll see you guys in my next video. I love you guys so much. Thank you guys so much for watching and staying until the end. I really hope you guys enjoyed, and I'll see you guys soon. Have a great rest of your day. Bye! Mwah.